Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a child on Ryanair. So first, you may want to head over to ryanair.com and start creating an account. Click on the My Ryanair portal button found at the top right corner of your screen. Next is click on the sign up button. If you don't have an existing account, you can sign up using these platforms or using your email address. So once you're logged into your account, you can head over and click on Manage My Bookings. And from this page, you should be able to see all your bookings, edit and modify them. But if you're just starting to book a new one, head over and click on Book a New Trip. Start by adding destination you're coming from and the destination you're trying to go to. Then next, click on the passengers section. And here you can see an option for children and infant. To add the children, just click on the add button. Depending on how many you're flying with, you can also add in infant if you're flying with infants. So there's a maximum number of one for an infant. Then once done, head over and click on the done button. Start by clicking on the search button, but of course, don't forget to tick this box, then click on search. Now from here, just follow all the on-screen prompts to complete your booking. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!